Test 8. Listening test. In this section, you must demonstrate your ability to understand spoken English. This section is divided into 4 parts and will take approximately 45 minutes to complete. Do not mark the answers in your test book. Use the answer sheet that is provided separately. Part 1. Directions. For each question, you will listen to 4 short statements about a picture in your test book. These statements will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the statement that best describes what is happening in the picture and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on the answer sheet. Look at the picture below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
The man is looking at the monitor.
B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
C.
The man is typing a letter.
D.
The man is holding a cup.
The statement that best describes the picture is B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
So you should mark letter B on the answer sheet. Now, Part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
She is giving a menu to a guest.
B.
She is setting a table for a meal.
C.
She is pouring water into a glass.
D.
She is flipping a light switch.
Number 2. The picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
Some people are removing their hats.
B.
Some people are filling up a basket.
C.
One of the people is moving a food stall.
D.
One of the people is kneeling on the sand.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
Some rope is hanging from a cliff.
B.
Some people are camping near a mountain.
C.
Climbing gear is being purchased.
D.
A man is resting his hand on a rock.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
Reading materials have been placed on a rack.
B.
A man is holding a pair of scissors.
C.
One of the women is trimming a client's hair.
D.
One of the women is sitting under a dryer.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
A road sign extends over multiple lanes.
B.
Vehicles have been left in a parking lot.
C.
A median divides a highway.
D.
Traffic cones have been lined up along the street.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
The man is carrying some hand tools.
B.
The man is digging a hole with a shovel.
C.
Farming equipment is being put away.
D.
There are structures at the edge of a field.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. For each question, you will listen to a statement or question followed by 3 possible responses spoken in English. They will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, Let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
It isn't time for the training session yet, is it?
A.
We have another half an hour.
B.
Ms. Rodriguez is leading it.
C.
I believe it's in the meeting room.
Number 8.
Would you mind trading seats with me?
A.
Sure, no problem at all.
B.
Oh, up near the stage.
C.
For a trading firm.
Number 9.
What do you want me to bring you from the cafeteria?
A.
I enjoy working as a cook.
B.
Whatever you're eating.
C.
I brought it back yesterday.
Number 10.
Have you decided on a venue for the marketing convention?
A.
The market is a major tourist attraction.
B.
Yes, but not very much.
C.
I can't find anything suitable.
Number 11.
Do you know when our rehearsal is supposed to begin?
A.
We'll start at noon.
B.
The lead actress is Julie Stone.
C.
It will be our rehearsal.
Number 12.
Haven't you worked as a corporate lawyer?
A.
Where is the law office?
B.
Only for a few years.
C.
Let's visit the headquarters.
Number 13.
Who do I need to speak with about cancelling my reservation?
A.
The resort was just opened.
B.
You need to call our booking department.
C.
I have confirmed your stay.
Number 14.
Why is the video conference equipment turned on?
A.
It was a very informative conference.
B.
For another couple of hours.
C.
The IT team is conducting a test on it.
Number 15.
Where should I go to photocopy these forms?
A.
The print shop down the block.
B.
They need 10 pages.
C.
No, sign on the dotted line.
Number 16.
Which cities will Ms. Arden be visiting during her upcoming trip?
A.
At a recent meeting.
B.
Everyone had a lot of fun.
C.
I haven't seen her itinerary.
Number 17.
How did you learn to speak German so well?
A.
The speaker was very engaging.
B.
By taking classes in college.
C.
We didn't earn much.
Number 18.
For them.
Where do you want to store the pieces of paper?
A.
For the office printers.
B.
I sent out for them.
C.
In the reception area for now.
Number 19.
When should I print out the contract for you to review?
A.
He will sign the contract.
B.
Anytime this afternoon.
C.
No problem, just pick it up.
Number 20.
These tables will have to be set for the banquet.
A.
Yes, I'm planning to come.
B.
Try adjusting the settings.
C.
How long will that task take?
Number 21.
Aren't you conducting a safety inspection next week?
A.
Yes, we got a good evaluation.
B.
He works as a conductor.
C.
I'll have to check my schedule.
Number 22.
Amy Tran is planning to travel overseas to consult clients, isn't she?
A.
He's our most loyal client.
B.
That's right, she's going to Chile.
C.
The test results still haven't come.
Number 23.
I can drop you off at the airport this weekend.
A.
Only if it's convenient for you.
B.
Yes, from my travel agent.
C.
The files are quite important.
Number 24.
We require receipts for all exchanges.
A.
To inquire about an event.
B.
You'll be pleased with this item.
C.
Okay, I have mine with me.
Number 25.
Do you want help analysing the data you collected?
A.
No, Pete took care of that yesterday.
B.
Mr. Mack will distribute the programs.
C.
They are from the questionnaires.
Number 26.
Why did you decide to rename your company?
A.
Customers really like that product.
B.
The previous name seemed outdated.
C.
It sells custom jewellery.
Number 27.
Should I close the window or do you want it open?
A.
Well, it is quite hot in here.
B.
I want to see it too.
C.
It's very close to my apartment.
Number 28.
Could you put together a short presentation for the Auto Expo?
A.
The car is fully automatic.
B.
Just put them in the showroom.
C.
I think so, but not until Monday.
Number 29.
What did the realtor say about the condominium?
A.
A property management firm.
B.
No serious offers have been made on it.
C.
The one located in Woodrow Tower.
Number 30.
When is the office dress code going to go into effect?
A.
Discuss that at the morning meeting.
B.
Salespeople must wear black shirts.
C.
Our business address has not changed.
Number 31.
The warehouse equipment has to be upgraded soon.
A.
They know where to go.
B.
The show should begin soon.
C.
But the forklift is only a year old.
Part 3. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several conversations between two or more speakers. These conversations will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each conversation, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Good morning. Do you know who's responsible for editing our company's brochure for the upcoming trade fair? The manager wants to change some of the contact information in it, and he asked me to pass on his request to whoever is working on it.
Sorry, I'm not sure, but you should talk to Sonnam. She's overseeing the team that will be attending the fair, so she can provide you with that information.
All right. I believe she will be out of the office until the early afternoon, but I'll speak with her once she returns. Thanks.
Number 32. According to the woman, what needs to be modified? Number 33. What has Sun Nam been tasked with? Number 34. What does the woman say she will do later today? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I purchased this set of plates here on Monday. When I got home and took them out of the box, I noticed that one of them is broken.
I can assist you with that. If you can provide proof of purchase, I would be happy to replace the set or give you a refund. Which would you prefer?
I'd like to get another set. However, before you complete the transaction, can I grab some wine glasses that I want to purchase as well?
Certainly. Just come back to the customer service desk once you're ready to check out.
Number 35. What did the man buy on Monday? Number 36. What problem does the man mention? Number 37. What is the man told to do? Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Dennis, how much longer will it be until the entrees for table 5 are ready?
At least 15 minutes. I'm struggling to keep up with orders since we're short-staffed today.
The diners have been waiting for almost an hour and they're getting frustrated.
Sorry, but I don't know what to tell you. I'm doing the best I can.
In that case, I think we'd better give them a discount to make up for the delay. I'll go and see if our manager is fine with that.
Okay, I'll inform you as soon as the food is ready.
Number 38. Who most likely is the man? Number 39. What does the man imply when he says,
I don't know what to tell you.
Number 40. What does the woman suggest? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation.
Miss Bont, this is Maurice Martin from Red Publishing.
Good morning, Mr. Martin. Are you calling about my manuscript?
Yes, I read over it last month and it has a lot of potential. We received hundreds of submissions but have chosen your book for publication.
Oh, that's great to hear. I'm so honored.
However, despite our interest, there are some problems that must be addressed. Nothing too major, mostly stylistic issues.
Okay, would you like to meet and further discuss things?
Yes, are you available next Tuesday at 1 p.m.? There's a quiet cafe across the street from my office where we could meet. It's called the Oxford Club.
Wonderful. See you then.
Number 41. What did the man do last month? Number 42. Why is the woman excited? Number 43. What does the man say about the Oxford Club? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, this is Angela calling. I've got some bad news. I might not be able to join you at the Autumn Festival next Saturday. As it turns out, I have conflicting engagements.
I'm sorry to hear that. What do you have to do on Saturday?
I just found out that some of my relatives will be in town then. I have to entertain them during their visit.
Well, you're welcome to bring them along. I'm sure they would enjoy the experience, as the festival has a lot of fun activities. Last year I even harvested my own pumpkin to carve.
Number 44. What concern does the woman mention? Number 45. What does the man recommend? Number 46. What does the man say he did last year? Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Mr. Warner, I'm wondering if I could have the day off on Thursday. I need to go to the dentist for a checkup.
That's not a good day for you to be gone, as we're having a public relations workshop then. Everyone in our department is required to attend. You'd better possibly schedule your appointment for Friday or next Monday.
That's right. I completely forgot. In that case, I can call the clinic and ask if they have an opening on Friday instead. I'm sure they will be able to accommodate my request.
Number 47. What does the woman ask permission to do? Number 48. What will happen on Thursday? Number 49. What does the man suggest? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
Wilma, I think our non-profit organisation needs a more effective fundraising method.
Did you have something in mind?
What about an online campaign?
I'm not sure. Marcus, what do you think about changing to online fundraising?
We could do that. Web-based campaigns cost very little, so it could save money. I'm sure it would be better than hosting fundraising dinners like we do now.
I see. Well, I'm open to the idea. However, I'm unfamiliar with the steps we'd need to take.
I organized some campaigns at my previous job that were very successful. If you want, I can make an initial strategy proposal for you to review.
Would you? That'd be helpful.
Number 50. What is the conversation mainly about? Number 51. According to the man, what technique does the organization use? Number 52. What does the man offer to do? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
Can you two help me with something?
Sure, what's up?
An order of office furniture is currently in the loading bay on the other side of the factory. However, we need to find somewhere else to store it until we ship it to the customer, a furniture retailer, next Monday.
I'm on my way to a meeting, so I'm not free at the moment. But I don't think we have anywhere to keep the shipment anyway. We're currently at capacity.
Actually, Angie told me earlier today that there's some extra space at the south end of the facility.
Oh, I wasn't aware of that. If you can wait, I can help in an hour.
Thanks, but it has to be done as soon as possible. So, Josh, please move the crates to that area now.
Number 53. Where most likely is the conversation taking place? Number 54. What does the woman mean when she says,
We're currently at capacity.
Number 55. What is Josh asked to do? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, my name is Raj Shan. I'm calling because there's an issue with my credit card. Its magnetic strip is worn and scanners can't read it, so I need a replacement.
Certainly, Mr. Shan. To get one, you must fill out the necessary form on our website.
Can't we take care of that over the phone?
I'm afraid not. We have a strict procedure for such requests.
Oh, I see.
Just go to our website and then click on the card replacement link. You'll find the necessary instructions there.
Okay. By the way, can I adjust the card's credit limit on the website too?
Yup, you'll be able to do that as well.
Great. Thanks for the information.
Number 56. Why is the man calling? Number 57. What must the man do? Number 58. What does the man want to change? Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation.
Have you filled the vacant manager position at our Chicago factory? I'm curious because the plant's assistant manager, Mark Mason, emailed me about the job this morning. He'd like to apply for it.
I've received a few applications but haven't selected anyone for the position yet. Please tell Mr. Mason that I'd be happy to consider his application. And since he's already an employee at our company, he doesn't need to provide any reference letters.
Okay, I'll message him after lunch to let him know. He'll most likely send you his resume within a day or two. Good luck deciding on an applicant.
Number 59. What is mentioned about Mark Mason? Number 60. Why did Mark Mason send an email? Number 61. What will probably happen after lunch? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation and order form.
Christine, is everything ready for the tablet release party we're catering for Stratus Technologies?
Almost. Yesterday I submitted the online order form to our supplier for the place settings and linens we need. They'll arrive in 5 days.
Great. Please check everything carefully before you sign for the delivery. The last shipment contained broken glasses.
I will. Oh, I almost forgot. We only need 100 of each type of plate, but one of them was on sale, so I ordered some extra ones.
Good idea. We use those dishes for many of the events we cater, so we'll probably need them in the future.
Yeah, that's what I thought as well.
Number 62. What type of event will be catered? Number 63. What does the man ask the woman to do? Number 64. Look at the graphic. Which item was on sale? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation and graph.
I finally had a chance to meet with the president and tell her about our new advertising idea for smartphone applications.
And how did it go?
Not as expected. She feels that the message of the advertisement is too complex. She wants us to make it more straightforward and easy to understand.
That seems reasonable. Well, maybe we can make it more like the one from the campaign we launched earlier this year. You know, the previous advertisement that was released in the month in which we had more than 11,000 views for the first time this year.
Number 65. What did the man recently do? Number 66. What problem is mentioned? Number 67. Look at the graphic. When was a previous campaign released? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and calendar.
Hello, I'm calling because I heard you're holding special events at your botanical garden in July. Is that correct?
Yes, the tour of the facility is especially popular. It's conducted by Myra Lawrence, an assistant botany professor from a local university.
Actually, I'd like to take one of the classes. However, given my work hours, I'll only be able to attend one on the weekend.
Certainly, but you'll need to sign up ahead of time on our website. Simply click on the day you'd like to attend and you'll be directed to the registration page.
Number 68. Who is Myra Lawrence? Number 69. Look at the graphic. When will the man probably visit the botanical garden? Number 70. What is the man instructed to do? Part 4. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several short talks by a single speaker. These talks will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each talk, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following excerpt from a talk.
I'd like to thank Littleton Books for inviting me here this evening, and I'm also grateful to everyone in the audience for showing up. Today I'll be sharing several excerpts from my latest book, Tiger in the Night. This work is an autobiography based on my experiences growing up in a small South African town. It also describes my struggles in becoming a published writer. This section will last about an hour, until around 7:15 p.m. I will then take a short break and return at 7:30 p.m. to answer questions. Following that, I'll be happy to autograph copies of my book, which will be available for sale. Now, the first passage you will hear is about my early childhood.
Number 71. Where most likely are the listeners? Number 72. What is the speaker's newest work about? Number 73. What will most likely happen at 7:30 p.m.? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following advertisement.
Whether you are decorating a reception hall or looking for a simple gift, Green Solutions has the perfect floral arrangement for you. That's because we are one of Edinburgh's largest floral shops. In fact, we have over 3,000 square meters of showroom space full of beautiful plants and vases. To view our huge selection of pre-made arrangements, come to our store at 341 Vincent Street. Customers who mention this advertisement to one of our cashiers will qualify for a 5% discount on any purchase.
Number 74. What kind of business is being advertised? Number 75. According to the speaker, why should listeners visit Green Solutions? Number 76. How can listeners receive a price reduction? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, this is Eric Kraus from Timberlake Flea Market calling for Teresa McCartney. I'm pleased to let you know that your booth application has been approved. It wasn't an easy decision. We received over 50 applications for the one remaining booth. However, I thought having an artist in the market would attract a whole new set of shoppers. As I told you previously, the booth is currently occupied but will be available in 3 weeks. In the meantime, we need to get your signature on the rental agreement. I'll be in the office from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow, so stop by any time.
Number 77. Who most likely is the speaker? Number 78. What does the speaker mean when he says,
It wasn't an easy decision?
Number 79. What is mentioned about the booth? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following news report.
In other news, transportation officials in Austin have temporarily halted construction of the Swift Rail commuter train system. The interruption comes amid criticism from a group of local citizens. Residents from the Kingfield neighborhood are claiming that rail lines are being built too close to their homes. Mary Stenos, the head of the transportation department, held a press conference on Wednesday regarding the matter. She stated that residents' complaints were being taken seriously and that work on the Swift Rail would be stopped until the issue is resolved. She also said that updates will continue to be posted at www.swiftrail.gov to keep the public informed on the progress of construction.
Number 80. What does the speaker mention about the commuter train system? Number 81. What did Mary Stenos do on Wednesday? Number 82. According to the speaker, why should listeners visit the website? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following advertisement.
If you are looking to hire trained security personnel to protect your home or business, contact ACE Solutions today. We can provide access to over 10,000 trained guards throughout the country who are available for employment on a permanent or short-term basis. All of the individuals we represent undergo a rigorous screening process to confirm their work experience, educational history, and professional certification. This means that you do not have to worry about searching for qualified applicants. In addition, If you sign up for a membership before April 2nd, you will receive 50% off your first month of service. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Please feel free to call our customer service hotline for more information.
Number 83. What is being advertised? Number 84. What is required to be represented by ACE Solutions? Number 85. What does the speaker recommend that the listeners do? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following speech.
I am honored to be here on behalf of Lifan Industries at this year's Consumer Electronics Show. Lifan Industries was founded over 25 years ago as a supplier of simple plastic parts to television manufacturers for the last, but over time we began producing more high-tech components. For the last decade, we've had exclusive contracts to produce LED screens and chipsets for industry giants Silverstar, Vivica, and PTF. But that's not our final goal. Today, I'd like to announce that Lifan Industries will begin producing consumer electronics under its own brand next year. If you'll all turn your attention to the screen here, I'll give you a glimpse of some of the products that we plan to launch in January.
Number 86. What type of business is Lifan Industries? Number 87. Why does the speaker say,
But that's not our final goal.
Number 88. What most likely will happen next? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following talk.
Welcome to the Masami Tea House in Kyoto, Japan. The tea house was built in the late 1700s and originally served as a private club for prestigious members of society. As you can see on this map, the complex includes a large dining area, kitchen, ceremonial rooms, garden, and even sleeping quarters for guests. Moreover, the tea house was also used for numerous special occasions, including weddings, political gatherings, and receptions for members of the royal family. It now functions as a popular tourist site.
Number 89. What facility does the tea house include? Number 90. What is mentioned about the tea house? Number 91. According to the speaker, what is the tea house now used as? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following telephone message.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. This is Akita Kong from Goldman & Associates. I'm interested in having you audition for a movie my agency has been hired to do the casting for. I was going to speak to your agent about this, but apparently she is on vacation until next month, so I decided to contact you directly. Anyway, it is a supporting role in a romantic comedy. I know, all of your previous parts have been in action movies, but it's a great opportunity to expand your resume and try something new. You have several days to make a decision. I'll send you a preliminary copy of the screenplay to look over. Let me know what you think.
Number 92. What is the main topic of the message? Number 93. What does the speaker imply when she says,
All of your previous parts have been in action movies.
Number 94. What will the speaker provide to the listener? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following talk and list.
Thank you all so much for joining our annual job fair. Your participation will be especially appreciated by our students. Many of them have experienced problems finding companies interested in hiring recent college graduates during this recession. We're happy to welcome many new participants this year, including our sponsor, Global Education. Before you head out to your booths, I need to let you know that there has been a switch in the room assignments. We originally planned to have engineering companies in room 202, but more of these types of firms signed up than expected, so we've decided to let them use the largest room, the one initially assigned to the finance and investment companies. Any questions?
Number 95. Who most likely is the speaker addressing? Number 96. What is mentioned about global education? Number 97. Look at the graphic. Which is the largest room at the event? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following telephone message and receipt.
Good afternoon. This is Beverly Gilder. I stayed at the, Presidential Palace for the first time when I was in Manila last week. While I enjoyed the experience, I've run into a problem. I didn't closely examine my bill upon checkout, and I just noticed an error. I was charged for laundry services that I did not use. I would like you to review your billing records, refund me the amount in question, and email me a corrected bill. This needs to be done as soon as possible because I have to turn in my final expense report on Friday. Thank you.
Number 98. What did the speaker fail to do? Number 99. Look at the graphic. How much will the speaker probably be refunded? Number 100. What will the speaker do on Friday?